500 years ago, Galileo was punished for saying Earth was not the center of the universe. Today we repeat the same mistake, only in a more sophisticated form. We no longer believe the sun revolves around Earth, but we still believe the universe revolves around humanity. This belief is called anthropocentrism, and it is the most dangerous intellectual inheritance we have not abandoned. Anthropocentrism assumes that human needs override planetary limits, that economic growth outweighs ecological stability, that short-term human comfort is more important than long-term planetary survival. This mindset did not disappear with science. It simply adapted. We replaced divine centrality with human centrality. We replaced theology with economics, but the structure of thought remained the same. Earth is still treated as a resource warehouse, an extraction platform, a backdrop for human ambition. Planetary cycle theory rejects this framing entirely. Planets are not stages for civilizations. They are systems with their own dynamics, limits, and life cycles. Civilizations are guests, not owners. Every advanced failure in history follows the same pattern. Intelligence grows, humility does not. The planet becomes invisible. Only consumption remains visible. This is why even advanced societies collapse. Not because they lack technology, but because they lack perspective. Anthropocentrism blinds decision-making. It encourages delay. It rationalizes damage. It frames planetary signals as political disagreements instead of physical warnings. From a planetary perspective, climate disruption is not a debate. It is a feedback response. From a planetary perspective, biodiversity loss is not accidental. It is systemic overload. Earth is communicating clearly. Humanity is refusing to listen. This is not because humans are evil. It is because the mental model is obsolete. Galileo challenged where Earth sat in the cosmos. We must now challenge where humanity sits within Earth. Until that shift occurs, no amount of technology, wealth, or innovation will prevent collapse. In the next episode, we will examine how planetary feedback systems work and why Earth's responses are accelerating, not slowing.